Alright guys, this is episode 3 of the Datsun 260Z 2JZ swap. Some quick updates. I have forged pistons in the mail. They're on their way right now. So it's she's gonna get hot tanked probably this weekend or next weekend. And I'll get some forged rods and we'll start putting it back together. That's pretty much the only thing that I've needed to slap that bad boy in here. I need to find a CD09 transmission, and hopefully by the time I have that back together, I will have the transmission back in here, and we can start making some engine brackets and start getting everything set up, ready to get all the wiring. So my plan is to completely gut everything, literally everything, every wire, every hose, start from the ground up with all brand new modern steel braided lines, different wiring harness, everything. So that's definitely going to take some time. So what I decided to do today, instead of cleaning all of that out for now, I'll probably roll it out here and spray it with some gunk and some brake cleaner and stuff. Ta-da. But I'm going to do a little bit of TIG welding. So I'm planning on doing all of the welding on this car by myself, including turbo inlet pipes, intercooler, etc. So I'm going to be doing a lot of stainless TIG welding, and just so happens to be I have about 1,000, literally 1,000 of these exhaust pipes from tractors. So what I do is I cut them right here above the top O2 sensor bung thingy, and then I get a big straight piece, about, I don't know, say 9 to 10 inches, and then I'm gonna pie cut them all up like that. And let's get some practice going today. So time to use that chop saw, baby. Here are the final pieces. There's no specific measurement, no nothing. It's all just eyeballed and then cleaned up with Scotch-Brite. That's it. I'm not going for anything structural or any specific design. I'm just sticking them together, just like this one. It's just a random pieces stuck together. But I need as much practice as I can get. And I have basically unlimited supply of free 3 1/4 inch stains. So yeah, all right, let's get to it. Here's the finished product of me tacking it together. By no means is it perfect. I didn't measure anything on it. I just randomly started cutting pieces on the chop saw and at different angles and just started tacking them together. And I'm most likely 99.9999999% sure that I'm not going to be using either of these on the car just because I didn't take any measurements. But it looks cool. It's all, you can't really focus in there. It's all nice and clean. I didn't clean one spot all the way right there. You can see it's still contaminated or dirty, I guess, whatever you want to call it. So I didn't want to tack there, but that'll be an easy fix right over it like nothing. So that's the welder I'm using. A little Vulcan Pro 10 or Pro Tig 200. All right, let's get to stacking some dimes, baby. here is the final product. I skipped through the buffing part. I did it really quickly. But for a practice piece, it's not bad. I can definitely do better. I had a tack pop right here. I had to keep going back over that a few times. So that's definitely ugly and not acceptable whatsoever. Other than that, it didn't come out too bad. I was really rushing through it, see how fast I could go. So you can see I left all these little pinholes. Focus, focus, focus. Right there, see that? Little pinholes between the starts and stops of the welds. That definitely will not be on the final product whatsoever. But for my second time ever pie cutting anything, I'm gonna count this as a success. And I can't make up my mind whether I want to leave the welds showing like that, so you can see the colors, the rainbows because it's stainless, or polish it up like this and then come back with a torch and only do the bluing around the welds. So I think that's what I'll probably end up doing, but leave in the comments what you guys think I should do and I will do that. But I mean, not too bad. It's not focusing. Whatever. But yeah, there she is. That's it for episode 3. Wasn't really. I thought I was gonna push it out and spray it all out, but I kind of had other stuff in the way. Kind of got sidetracked. Anyways, but next time, episode 4, we will absolutely be stripping this out and cleaning it all out, and hopefully the pistons will be here by then, and possibly the rods too, and then we can start putting it together and do a little mock-up fit, make some engine brackets, and call it a day. But till then, I will see you guys next time. That's been it for episode 3.